Son, sit down with me for a moment. I want to talk to you.
Sure, Dad. What's on your mind?
You know, son, it's been on my mind for a while now, the fact that you are leaving soon.
Yeah, Dad. I have been offered this job opportunity, and I think it's the right move for me.
I understand, son. I truly do. But it's hard, you know? You have been here with me all these years, and now you are going to be miles away.
I know, Dad. And believe me, it's not an easy decision for me either. But I have to think about my future, about building something for myself.
Of course, son. And I'm proud of you for that. But I can't help feeling a bit selfish, wishing you would stay.
Dad, you have raised me to be independent, to chase my dreams. And now that's what I'm doing. But that does not mean I will forget about you. You will always be a part of my life, no matter where I am.
I know, son. And I'm grateful for that. It's just, I will miss having you around, you know? Our talks, our laughs, even our arguments.
I will miss them too, Dad. But hey, we will still have phone calls, video chats. And I promise I will come visit whenever I can.
That means a lot to me, son. It really does. But just promise me one thing.
Anything, Dad. What is it?
Promise me you will take care of yourself out there. Promise me you will never forget where you come from, who you are.
I promise, Dad. I will never forget. And I will always carry you with me, in my heart.
Thank you, son. That's all a father could ask for. Just remember, no matter where life takes you, you will always have a home here with me.
Thanks, Dad. That means everything to me. I love you.
I love you too, son. Now go chase those dreams of yours. I will be rooting for you every step of the way. You remember when you were just a little boy, and we used to go fishing down by the old creek?
Yeah, Dad. Those were some of the best times of my life. I will never forget how excited I used to get, waking up early just to go fishing with you.
And do you remember the time we got caught in that sudden thunderstorm? We had to huddle under a tree until it passed.
I remember, Dad. We were soaked to the bone, but we laughed about it afterwards. It was an adventure.
Those memories are treasures, son. And now, as you are about to embark on this new journey, I can't help but think about all the memories we have shared together.
Me too, Dad. Every moment we have spent together has shaped who I am today. And I will carry those memories with me wherever I go.
That's all a father could hope for, son. That you carry the lessons, the love, and the laughter with you as you carve out your own path in life.
I will, Dad. And I will make sure to create new memories too, ones that I can share with you when I come back to visit.
I will be looking forward to hearing all about your adventures, son. Just know that no matter how much time passes, you will always have a home here with me.
Thanks, Dad. Your support means everything to me. I will make you proud, I promise.
You already have, son. Just by being the remarkable young man you are. Now go on, chase those dreams of yours. And never forget that I will be right here, cheering you on every step of the way. Before you go, son, there's something I want to share with you. Something that has guided me through life, and I hope it will help you too.
What is it, Dad?
It's about staying true to yourself, no matter what. In the journey ahead, you will encounter all sorts of challenges, temptations, and influences. But always remember who you are at your core.
That's good advice, Dad. How do I do that?
Listen to your heart, son. Trust your instincts. And never compromise your values for anyone or anything. Stay humble in success and resilient in failure.
I will keep that in mind, Dad. Thanks for the wisdom.
And one more thing, son. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. You don't have to face life's challenges alone. Your family, your friends, we are all here for you.
I would not forget that, Dad. I will lean on you and Mom whenever I need support.
That's my boy. And remember, life is not just about reaching your destination, but also about enjoying the journey. Take time to appreciate the little moments, to cherish the people around you.
I will, Dad. I promise to live life to the fullest, to embrace every experience with gratitude and joy.
That's all I could ever ask for, son. Now go out there and make the world your own. But always remember, no matter where you go, you will always have a father who loves you more than words can express.
I love you too, Dad. Thanks for everything.
You are welcome, son. Now go chase those dreams of yours. And know that I will be right here, cheering you on every step of the way.